All right, welcome back to the 79 step side. I gave her a tune-up, and as you can see, she runs a whole lot better. New starter. Transfer case is pooched, but that's okay because I have 3 of them already rebuilt. That's good there. Runs a whole lot better. Valve cover's on its way. Cap and rotor's on its way. As soon as I get those, I'm going to pressure wash this today. And then we're going to adjust whatever couple of valves back there are ticky-tacking. Here's the spark plugs. And as you can see, I would say 90% of them, or 95% of them, are just fouled, carbon running rich, except for number one. Number one is a little oily, so might have a little oil control issue with number one, but hey, 5 out of 6, not bad. She's not smoking, and she's not got a lot of blow-by that you can see. So I'm gonna hook up that T intersection there, and I'm gonna get the vacuum into the PVC so we can suck that in there. Fuel tank is clean. There's no rust or anything coming out of the tank. Ordered a new carburetor. Way more responsive on the throttle. She's not smoking none. She is running a little rich, but that's a carburetor for you. So anyway, we got the starter issue straightened out. As you can see, it starts right up now. No more of that click, click, clicking thing going on there. So we're good. She idles a little better. I adjusted the carburetor as much as I could. Got the power steering pump mounted. Anyway, that's where we are now. The transfer case is shot, the rear end is shot. Not sure about the front end, but definitely know the transfer case is pooched. I will give you a visual of that, because when I was putting in the starter, I had a direct access to the transfer case, and yeah, there's got some major something going on down here. Not really sure what, but I'm thinking that either the bolt is loose or the bearing is wiped out, but you can see that this universal joint's wiped out. So yeah, that shouldn't have that play in it. So I'm going to take this off, rebuild this, and I'm going to get my spare transfer case out and put that in, and then we will go from there. Whew, anyhow, that's where we're at. Have a great day.